Let Garmin Marine Support show you how to install your Power Steer foot pedals on your force current trolling motor. The Power Steer foot pedals are an optional accessory included with some models. The installation methods described in this video cover a wide range of kayak models, but your kayak may require a different installation method. In this video, we will show you 3 methods to install the Power foot pedals. First, we will install the foot pedals using T-tracks on the gunnels of your kayak, followed by installing the pedals on pedal rails or suitable threaded inserts on the sides of the deck using existing mounting holes. Lastly, you can install these with the provided rivet nuts by drilling your own mounting holes in your kayak. If in doubt, you should contact the kayak manufacturer for guidance on the best way to install the Power Steer foot pedal rails on your kayak. The screws used in this video have been customized to fit on this kayak. Additional hardware or mounting may be needed to install the Power Steer foot pedals. For this install, we will use 1/4-20 stainless steel screws to mount the Power Steer foot pedals. A different length than provided may be needed to install on your kayak. The following tools will be required for this installation: a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, drill, 7/16 drill bit, and a 1/2-inch open-ended wrench if you are installing rivet nuts. The included screws and T-nuts may not be suitable for some kayak track systems. You must use the correct hardware for your kayak's track system. Installing the rails using inadequate hardware may lead to an insecure installation, potentially causing damage to your kayak or the pedal rails. The rails have optional stabilizers designed to support the pedal rails against the deck to reduce strain on the pedal rail mounting surface. If you plan to use the stabilizers, you must attach them to the rails before installing the rails on your kayak. Connect the fixed part of the stabilizer to one of the adjustable legs using 2 knobs and the nut from bag F. The stabilizer is packaged with a long and short adjustable leg. You should choose the option that ensures the assembled stabilizer can reach the deck to support the rails. You must remove the Phillips head screw on the pedal carriage to slide on the stabilizer. Slide the assembled stabilizer onto the end of the rail, opposite to the bottom of the pedal carriage. Hold the button on the stabilizer while you slide it into the desired position. Repeat these steps with the other stabilizer and rail. Retrieve the T-nuts, screws, and washers from hardware bag D. Slide the 2 T-nuts onto the track until they align with the mounting holes on the right angle adapter on the rails. Install the rails on the track using the screws and washers. The screws provided in bag D may be too long or too short to use on your T-track system. You must acquire the appropriate length 1/4-20 stainless steel screws. Failure to do so could damage the foot pedals. Tighten the screws, making sure there is no gap between the rails and the side of the deck. Repeat this procedure for the other side of the kayak. You may be able to install the rails using the existing mounting holes if your kayak is equipped with a set of pedal rails or suitable threaded inserts on the sides of the deck. Remove the existing set of rails from your kayak and set the mounting hardware aside. You must remove the right angle adapter from the rails before installing the rails on the side of the deck. Remove the 2 screws, securing the right angle adapter to the rails using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. The Power Steer foot pedals are packaged with quarter 20 screws in bag E and washers in bag D, intended for mounting the rails to the sides of the deck. The included hardware may be incompatible with existing mounting holes on your kayak. Cut the pedal rails to a smaller size and drill new mounting holes to ensure they fit your kayak if necessary. Install the rails from your kayak. Consider reusing the original mounting hardware to install the new rails if you are replacing an existing set of rails. Repeat this procedure for the other side of the kayak. You will need to drill holes in the kayak and mount the Power Steer foot pedals with rivet nuts if your kayak is not equipped with a T-track or pedal rails with existing mounting holes. Mark the pilot holes on your kayak using the pedal rails as a template. Drill the mounting holes using a 7/16 drill bit. Retrieve the coupling nut, screw, and washer from bag G. Thread the screw through the coupling nut, washer, and rivet nut using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Insert the rivet nut and screw a hole in the mounting surface. Position a 1/2-inch wrench on the coupling nut. While maintaining pressure on the head of the screw using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, turn the coupling nut clockwise using the wrench. As you tighten the coupling nut down, the screw is pulled up, causing the rivet nut to collapse under the mounting surface. Continue to turn the coupling nut until it stops. Remove the screw from the rivet nut using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Secure the rails to the kayak using screws in bag E and the washers in bag D. You will need to acquire the correct length quarter 20 stainless steel screws if the hardware provided is too short or too long. Repeat this procedure for the other side of the kayak. Align the pedal with the pedal carriage on the rail and turn the knob clockwise to attach the pedal to the pedal carriage. Set the pedal to the desired angle before you tighten the knob fully. Push the button on the pedal carriage and slide the pedal carriage up and down the rails to position the pedal at the proper distance from you if needed. Move the stabilizer before moving the pedal carriage if the stabilizer is installed. Repeat these steps with the other pedal. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit marinesupport.garmin.com.